Right, let's get right into today's video, guys. Pay very close attention to this. You're going to see the absolute way to trade scalp, because there's no absolute way. It's just everybody's just throwing things at the screen and hoping for something to work. But we're going to try and minimize the damage. Look, my scalping strategy is simple, guys. First in, first out. Same as my swing trading strategy. Right here, I just opened a sell position on this green candle, and I'll explain to you why. Because any green candle that looks like this and it's weak, trying to climb, it will probably just drop right before pumping up. And on that drop, especially when it's all the way to the top, that weak, candle. Look, somebody come look at this. Here's $79. I couldn't even finish speaking, guys, but over time, you'll know what to look for and how to trade these candles. Now, the reason why I shorted this was because I knew this candle was too weak to push on its own. Okay, so that's the first lesson for today. We're up $79 on this trade. So the other reason is because it's at resistance. So I'm going to just push my next line, resistance line up here. And remember, the market is like an algorithm. It goes from resistance to support, support to resistance. So now this candle should push to 19979. However, because it opened under it, it could push down, grab liquidity from the support level before pushing up. So that's what I'm betting on with this candle. Again, is that this candle will not make it to the top in one go. So what it could do is hit close to 19965 and then push down, as you see right here. Okay, I hate day trading. Did I tell you guys that? I hate day trading, but we have to make $1,000 in this video. That's the goal for today. Anyways, here's the push. See this? I think right. Opened it long, and there it is. It's as soon as it turns green, and $54. That's $130 made so far. Remember, we said we want to make 1,000 here. By the way, this kind of scalping is right. Most people look at it and be like, that's gambling. Okay, for you, but for me, I understand it. But, you have to know these candles to take advantage of these candles. I guess that's why I make the big bucks when I'm swing trading is I understand the market, unless a curveball is thrown at me. But that's what makes you a good trader is you have to understand the market, guys. So now we're looking for this 19965 to be tested. Once it hits, I'm going to open the sell position. The reason is because there's resistance lines here, and this is 15-minute time frame, by the way. Now you can up the stakes and go higher time frame, 1 hour. But you look at it here, it still gives me that 996567 level, and here is our buy position level. So let's zoom in. Yeah, that's gonna be a push. All right, so that's a long position to the upside opened. Now to you guys, this is like gambling. You just open it randomly, right? That's the first comment you'll see. No problem, I understand that. And look, because this candle is wicky, it's a 50-50 chance candle unless you time it right. And that's how you trade these candles. It's all about timing. By these candles, I'm referring, of course, to these wicky candles. And of course, I told you guys I had a gap to fill to 19967 on a 15-minute time frame. Right. What are we up? We're 150 today, right? Let's make it 200 in this trade. Or more. I'll take more. As long as it's green. Then just take it. Come on, Cletus. Right. 55. That's now $200 made, guys. And I'm going to chase it down with a short. Just give it a second. Because the market can recover and then take us all out here. Even our short positions will get destroyed. Right. Yeah, it feels like this is where it pops actually. So, long position opened again. This time, we're just going to leave it a little bit. What's going on here? I know you want to pop, so just do it. 9981. This time we'll make a little bit more, guys, than earlier. Maybe in one go we'll make $100, $200. Okay, we're up 60, 70. Come on, son. Come on, push. Okay, 110. I'll take it. $300 made in 5 minutes. What else? And then retraces back. Lovely. And that's why you should take the money. You see this? That's exactly why the money should be secured. Right, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Appreciate you for watching as always. And I'll see you next time. Bye.